In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a parked domain on Siteground in just 5 minutes. Parked domains are essentially placeholders that allow you to reserve a domain name without having to associate it with any website content immediately. This can be particularly handy if you want to protect your brand by ensuring your name is secured, or if you're preparing for a future project. To get started, open your browser and head over to the official Siteground website. Simply type in the URL or do a quick search to find the Siteground homepage. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click the login button. This will bring you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. If you haven't done so already, make sure to create an account and keep your login details handy for future access. After successfully logging in, you will land on your Siteground dashboard. Look for the menu option that says My Siteground Account. Clicking on this will direct you to a page that holds all vital information about your hosted sites and account specifications. Focus next on looking for the Site Tools option, which should be prominently displayed on your account overview page. Once you click on Site Tools, you'll gain access to an array of management features designed to simplify your experience in navigating through different site settings and adjustments. Within Site Tools, you'll want to find and click on the Domain tab. This section is where you can manage various domain-related settings. Clicking on the Domain tab will expand into a drop-down menu of domain management options, among which you will see Parked Domains. Once you click on Parked Domains, you'll find yourself in the section where you can manage and add new parked domains. This feature provides a convenient way to reserve domain names that complement or serve as alternatives to your main website. Here, on the Parked Domains page, you'll find an input field ready for your new domain entry. Enter the specific domain name you wish to park. Double check your spelling to ensure that you are reserving the correct domain. After you have entered the desired domain, direct your attention to the Add button, usually located nearby the input field. One click and you've effectively parked your domain. Your new domain will now appear in the list of parked domains, confirming the successful addition. And there you have it. You've successfully added a parked domain on Siteground. Don't hesitate to visit this section as needed to manage additional domains or make further adjustments. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it makes your workflow with Siteground just that bit smoother. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.